Hey everybody, it's DIY Dobson here with an episode of the SodaStream. This is how to use it quick and easy. To start, you need your CO2 cartridge and your SodaStream. Turn it around. You're gonna pull this plastic part off the back. You do that just by pushing down gently right here, and you just pull it off. Kind of cumbersome. You set it aside, and this part I had a hard time finding on the SodaStream website or in the SodaStream instructions. First, unscrew this little white lid. Set it aside, drop the cartridge in that hole right there, insert it, and twist it up. You just twist, 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 okay? So I'm lifting and twisting until it's pretty tight. You're in, locked in. Now you put the back onto the SodaStream. This goes in first, down at the bottom, that little tab, and then it just clicks into place. And now you are ready for the magic. Okay, so here's the bottle that the SodaStream comes with. There's a nice little marker right here you're gonna fill the water up to. So I'm just gonna fill up to that line. Doesn't matter if it's perfect, but somewhere close. Boom. Okay, so we have our water in our SodaStream bottle that the SodaStream comes with, which is awesome, by the way. We just reuse this over and over, washing it, of course. But the first step is you're going to pull out this plastic tab right here. Do you see that? So this pulls out and locks into place. Make sure that you hear that lock because it kind of hesitates. There's like a smaller spot it stops at, but you want to pull it all the way to where it locks. Then you take your bottle, you insert it into the spindle and push it up good. You see that? You push it up good and then lock it back. Now when you do this, you know you've done it right when you feel this little space under here. Do you see that? There's a little finger space. That means my bottle's locked in perfectly. Okay, so the next step is adding the fizz to your water. This is the fun part. This is the part my daughter Priya loves to do. This step is really hard to find in any instruction manuals, but it's really important. When you want to add the fizz to your sparkling water, you're going to press this button here on the top, but you need to press it pretty hard. You don't want to press it gently or else your water won't get all the fizzy that you want. So my family likes to press it down for about 2 seconds, let go, and do that about 2 or 3 times for the amount of fizzy we want in our water. If you want a lot of fizzy, you can do it 3 or 4 times. If you want just a little bit of fizzy, just press it once. But I like to hold it for about 2 seconds. So here I go. I'm going to press a button. 1, 2. So you can see we've already got some bubbles going. And I'm going to do that one more. 1, 2. Good. You're all done. You can go longer if you want. Sometimes it gets a little messy. But what you do next is you simply pull it out. You'll hear a little vacuum seal if you've secured your bottle correctly. Pull it out, release the bottle, and next you can just put your lid on, put this in the fridge, and you're good to go for some sparkling water for later, or you can add a flavoring. We've got grapefruit, blackberry, and lime. These are my family's favorites. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a little bit of the grapefruit. How you do that, you just pour a teeny tiny amount, boom, in. That's it, just a drop is plenty. Put the lid on, okay? Put the other lid on, and just give it a gentle shake. You don't want to shake it too much, or else it'll be really fizzy. So that's all there is for making wonderful sparkling water. Remember, let it chill. Drink it later when it's cool. It's much better. And that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments for me. And it's DIY Dobson out.